What up?
What's up, dog?
Screwing stuff on,
Yeah. Huh? Just saved you guys the time of cutting all those out.
Tablets.
Little tabs, yeah.
So I guess episode 2 of the RZR Build Series.
Yeah. Tree kicker day.
Starts with coffee.
Oh man, which one? Oh, the big one.
I don't know, one of them.
One of them. Perfect, thanks, dude.
Yeah, so tree kickers on the old RZR 900. You got a plan?
Yeah.
Winging it plan?
I got a plan. I want to put tree kickers on.
That's
so we'll see
good plan.
What leads to that plan. But yeah, I got all the plates cut for right now. So I think what I'm probably going to start with is I'm going to have these 2 plates here with a couple standoffs. And one bar that comes across that's bent on either end to kind of go back into the chassis.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to come off of it with another straight bar that'll be on a bit of an angle and come out just before the edge of the tire.
Right, yeah, kick trees out around these
wide
tires.
I'll brace it with this top one and then a couple braces through, and then that'll be the plan. So
if you guys missed episode 1 of this build series, we put this bumper together. That was kind of the first test of the fab table and gas welder. Well, I guess not. I guess we did the exhaust too, but
yeah, so should be good.
And we got more.
We had a lot of success with the front bumper. It turned out wicked.
Oh yeah,
solid.
Turned out really good. I like that a lot. And then of course there's plans to do back bumper, obviously. Ignore that. You don't see that.
You should have been here earlier.
Oh yeah.
I caught myself on fire.
She blew
I was like grinding away.
Like, what's that burning?
I was like, man, it smells like clothing burning. So I looked down. It almost got me.
Yeah, it tried.
One layer.
Yeah. That's funny. All right, well, we're gonna get into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
First thing we did was made some standoffs. So we got 4 of these. So those are gonna sit on the plates like that. And we got the standoff there, which I think that's looking pretty good for
nice distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't look. It looks like it belongs.
Yeah. So you hold that there for me.
Yeah. Ooh. Dude, that's nice. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Lines right up with your fender.
Yeah. So 52.
So matching bend here.
Yeah. And then once we get both these pieces bent, we can tack them both in on each side. And then I'm gonna have another bar that's gonna come off of the front here.
That's gonna come
off like it's gonna go here and it's gonna come up.
Oh, I see. So it's gonna
and
be.
It's gonna kick off the tire.
So
this one will come out and mount to that. So.
It'll be a 3D.
Yeah.
Cool.
New year, new me, turn it up a new degree. I'm gonna make it to the top if it's the last thing I see. Work hard every day, work hard, then we play. I'll be doing everything.
All right, quick stand on it. Test it out. Those are sweet, like by themselves. And,
yeah,
I mean,
you could realistically, I mean, just maybe even something little just to brace it from the up and down.
From the bend, yeah.
But I mean, that's solid enough right there, right? So time for the next bar. So we're gonna get one to length for here.
Yeah,
figure out some bends.
One that rides up.
Hey, ain't nobody tell me shit, I'm on top of it. Writing hits that make other people feel like writing hits. We gon' get every little gold, everyone to get. Never quit, we don't even know what it means to quit.
We're doing fabrication, we're making things with metal. Feels much better than buying it. It's just way more fun than just like going online.
It feels better on the wallet too.
Yeah.
Except for like all this equipment that you have to do it. And tell us why we need to buy a new bender.
Well, I did a test piece for just to see kind of how much we could get out of that one, and it mangled it pretty good. I mean, up to about 45, 50, she was pretty good. But yeah, if it did 90, it would have crushed. And so it's good for this stuff because we're not doing anything too crazy for bends. But if we go to attack a cage, we're gonna need something that's not gonna mangle pipe. So
Yeah.
it is what it is. You learn.
That's right.
First time doing everything. So.
Yeah.
It still works good though. Like it's a really good bender. Contemplating if I should sell it or just keep it for the. It was nice because the price point for it came with all the dies.
Right. Yeah.
So the dies are like a big chunk of coin when you go buying benders. So that one came with
everything you
5,
need, and
yeah, it came with 5 sets of dies. So 5 different sizes of DOM tubing. So and for like 800, 900 bucks, it's pretty good.
yeah.
Like
That's
that.
the idea. Aggressive, dude.
They're gonna be kicking some trees, that's for sure.
Yeah, they're gonna be cutting trees.
Yeah.
Cool.
Could even kick that end in a bit too. Like bend it in around here and go right to the plastics.
Turn it in a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could. It would clean it up a bit. Sick.
Write it down, what you want, what you need, what you see, everything that you wanna be.
Dude,
So sick.
beefy.
So sick. So yeah, we'll do another brace here,
Yep.
and then we'll brace off the 3rd chassis point to
To the
this.
top bit. Yeah.
So I'm hoping I can come off pretty much straight and then just match that notch. Really, we kind of lucked out with that angle.
That's pretty square right to the
That's
hole.
what I'm saying. We weren't even really trying for that, so it's pretty cool. Sometimes that stuff just happens, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll go figure out these braces here and the chassis mount.
All right.
I'm pumped. It's looking good.
It is.
The next day.
Not almost finished, but
Oh. Nice. Angle column. Lots of strength there. There's tons of strength.
yeah, it's solid and it's just tacked. So
Yeah. It's good design. I think it's a really good design.
So we got them off. They're pretty much ready to go. We got them all tacked up here, ready to do final weld out. So aside from the weld out of these, I'm gonna cap the ends, just so it's solid. And then I might add a few gussets through a few of the corners and some of the other spots. But these are pretty much ready to go. So let's do it. Oh, get out of my new step.
Oh, they're side steps. Built some side steps. Dude. Dude. Those are ridiculous.
They're sturdy, man.
Jeez, yeah, they turned out wicked. Caps on the ends. Man, those are clean. Clean.
They turned out bomb. I knew you'd like them.
Yeah, now I want to get rid of my flush ones now.
Well, we can build you a set.
Those are so cool. Yeah.
I know how.
Yeah. So this was from episode 1 of this series, episode 2 of the series. And what's third? What's next?
I think we're gonna do rear bumper.
Rear bumper.
Rear bumper or cage. It all depends if I want to try and attempt it with that bender or not. I was mentioning that earlier, saying how we're not getting the bend angle out of it that we want. So we'll see. But probably rear bumper for sure.
Yeah, it needs it. Needs it. And then the full cage. Sick. All right, well, I guess this is it till next episode.
Next episode, yeah. So thanks, and be sure to check out our Kemi Moto. We get a discount on there, so get yourselves hooked up with some stuff from them, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.